Whether you are a casual user or a power surfer, get ready to turbocharge your Chrome experience with these time-saving keyboard shortcuts. Suppose you have just logged into your Windows or you have accidentally closed Google Chrome browser. Then, when you click again, you can't see your old tabs. Luckily, we have a shortcut. If you press Ctrl, Shift and T on your keyboard, you will get all the closed tabs back on Windows. Also, if you have closed some of your tabs, let's say I have closed these 3 tabs and I want them back, then again you can use the same shortcut key, Ctrl, Shift, T. It will bring back the last one. If you press Ctrl, Shift, T again it will bring back the last one and Ctrl, Shift, T again. So this is how we open, or you can say reopen, the last closed tabs. Go to next previous tabs. To go to the next tab, instead of using your mouse, you can simply click Ctrl Tab and it will move forward between your open tabs. And if you want to go to the previous tab, then you can use Ctrl Shift Tab. Zoom in, zoom out, reset active web page. If you press Ctrl and plus on the keyboard, you will zoom in and your text will get bigger. If you press Ctrl minus, you will zoom out. If you want to get to the default, then press Ctrl 0. It will reset the zoom to its default, that is 100%. Open close tab. If you want to open a new tab, press Ctrl T on the keyboard. If you want to close the current active tab, then press Ctrl W. Search. If you want to search on the current web page, then press Ctrl F and search for whatever you want. You can see machine is on 3 places on this web page, active web page. 1, 2 and that's 3. If you want to search using the Google address bar, then press Ctrl E or Ctrl T. Now Google will show you all the results of Adobe. Highlight URL. Highlighting the URL in the address bar for quick editing or typing a new address. You can simply press Ctrl L on the keyboard. What it will do, it will highlight the whole URL. And now you can type whatever you want. Let's say I want to go to WWE website. So I will type www.wwe.com. You get your website. Remember, if you press Ctrl L, you will highlight the URL. But if you press Ctrl E or Ctrl K, you will open Google search. So that's the difference between both of them. Autocomplete. Autocomplete automatically adds www at the beginning and .com at the end of the address you want. Let's say I want pixels.com. So what I will do is I will write pixels and then I will press Ctrl and enter on the keyboard. And you can see I am on my pixels.com. Let's say I have visited few websites. Now I want to go back. So instead of bringing your mouse over here and clicking on this, what you can do is that you can use Alt left arrow key to go back to the previous page like this. And if I want to go forward, then I can use Alt right arrow key and it will take me forward. So again, it's a time saver. Instead of using your mouse, you can simply use these 2 shortcuts. Download page. Let's say you have downloaded few things. Now you want to open the download page so that you know where you have downloaded them. You can simply press Ctrl plus J on the keyboard and it will bring you to the download page. You can see there are the things that I have downloaded. Or if I click here, it will take me to the folder. If you want to see your browsing history, then press Ctrl H on the keyboard and you will see all of the sites you have visited. Like today, I have visited all of these sites. Now, I can simply click here and I can delete this browsing history if I don't want it. Or there is a better way. If you want to clear all of your browsing history, then simply press Ctrl, Shift and Delete on your keyboard and it will bring this menu. And now you have the option to clear the last 1 hour, last 24 hours or even days. So if I click here, you can see all of them are deleted. First last tab. If I want to go to the first tab, let's say this tab, so there is a shortcut for it. Press Ctrl 1 on the keyboard. If I want to go to the last tab, this tab, then press Ctrl 9 on the keyboard. Ctrl 9 for the last tab, Ctrl 1 for the first tab. And as far as this is concerned, this is tab 2, tab 3, tab 4, tab 5, tab 6, tab 7 and tab 8. So in between you can go like this. If I want to go to this tab, that it will be Ctrl 3. Now the last important keyboard tip. There are times when we want to bookmark or save our pages for later use. For this, like I want this and this to be saved. For this, we will use the book manager. If I press Ctrl D on the keyboard, we have the option to bookmark it. Again, instead of coming here, you can press Ctrl D like here. Instead of clicking here, if I press Ctrl D, it will be saved. And now press Enter on the keyboard. If you want to show your bookmark manager over here, then simply press Ctrl Shift and B. You can see your bookmark manager is shown here like this. And if you want to hide it, then again press Ctrl Shift B. It will bring it back. It's a toggle. If you click here, you can see there are your pages. If you want to open your bookmark manager for editing, then press Ctrl Shift O. It will open your bookmark manager. And now you have whatever you want to do here. Like you can create a new folder over here. And then put them over here inside it. I hope guys this tutorial was helpful for you. If you like it, give it a like. If you love it, subscribe to my channel, share my videos. Keep creating guys. Bye bye.